Can I protect my assets, my home and my money from nursing home expenses? And the answer is yes, you can, but it's complicated. In our office, our clients typically fall into two categories. People that are already in a nursing home and we're trying to use strategies and techniques to solve the problem that they already have. The other type of client that we have are people that are planning ahead. We call it pre-planning for long-term care. And the techniques that we use in the two different cases vary. For pre-planning, often we're going to talk to our clients about using trusts to protect the house and other savings from long-term care expenses. In the more nursing home urgent cases, it's a different toolbox, different set of techniques that gets rather complicated rather quick. But understand that there are legal techniques that you can use to protect assets. And given that, in my opinion, this is the biggest financial risk that most middle class or upper middle class families face, you may want to consider doing it. So if you'd like to learn more, reach out to the office. We'll give you your options on how you can protect your life savings from these harsh government rules. If you found this video helpful, and if you have an urgent legal need that you need help with, go to our website or give us a call for a free consultation today.